Using our library of cliparts makes it easy to add elements to your design. For instance, we're going to piggyback on our templates example and use our Walking for Breast Cancer Awareness stickers that we're making. In this case, I want to add a ribbon, like a breast cancer awareness ribbon, to this label as just an extra element. So I'm going to search actually our cliparts for ribbon. And I see we have one of them. This looks pretty close to that sort of ribbon. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to drop it into my design. Now I'm going to go ahead and shrink this down, and I'm going to actually adjust it and move it into our design here. So let's shrink this down a little bit here. Put this over here. I'm going to take this element and shrink it down and put it right to the right for our example here. I want to change the color, and actually I want to rotate it first. So I'm going to rotate it just a little bit like that. And then while it's still highlighted, I want to change it to that same pink color. So I'm going to click on this and click on our color changer, and we have the color saved from previously right here. And if not, if we didn't have that saved, we could have also clicked on our walking text and grabbed the color code from that as well. But that's a quick way on how to use cliparts.